Hello, this is Amal, and in this video I will explain to you how you can simply add a text field to your document for your signers to fill in, as well as a field that allows the signer to upload attachments to the document that are required. Let's begin by uploading a document for signing, and for this example we will explain it on the freelance agreement. So now after uploading the freelance agreement, and once it is 100% uploaded, we're going to click on next to move on to the second step and add the participants' information. Then in the third step, which is the step that I'm going to place the fields in, you can see we have the freelance agreement right here. Let's say, for example, we need the registration number of signer to be filled in. All we have to do is go down to the signer's information and then drag the text field from the left sidebar right here. And now it is added to the document. We can size it to fit into the document, and of course change the placement of it. And we can add a placeholder text which says add ID number here. So now that we added the text field, let's go down to the bottom of the document and add the field that says file attachment. So once we add this field, we're going to place it in the right place and add a placeholder text that says attach ID or copy of ID here. So this will show up to the signer once they start signing on the document, which we're going to see in a couple of minutes. Now we're going to add, let's say, the rest of the fields, such as the name, as well as the signature, and finalize the document by reviewing and sending the agreement. So now, by clicking on Finish and Send, the document was sent successfully. Now we're going to see it from the signer's perspective. So this is the freelance agreement that we added the text field for, as well as the attachment uploading. As you can see here, we text field with a placeholder text that says add ID number here. So by clicking on Start Signing, you can add the ID number here. And by clicking on Next, we'll be able to move to the next two as well. Let's go down to the Upload Attachment field. As you can see here, the placeholder is showing attached copy of ID. By clicking on it, you can go ahead and either drag and drop the file from your device or on it to upload the document. After the document is fully uploaded, just click on Insert and it will be attached to the document. Now we're going to add the signature as well. Click on Insert and finalize and finish the document.